How to check current password on Facebook. So if you want to check your current password on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, from your Facebook, you won't be able to check your current password, because if you go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and then go with settings and privacy, and under your account center, you will have password and security. Tap on it, and then if you go with change password, then you'll be able to change your password, but you need to enter your current password, and you won't be able to know your current password. So if you've forgotten your current password, then you can go with forgot your password, and then you can reset your password so that you'll know your current password. But if you want to go the other way, then you can open up your Google and make sure that you've logged into the same account with which you've created your Facebook account. So go with your Google and go with manage your Google account. Now here you need to go with password manager. Under your password manager, you can go with search, and under search you need to search for Facebook. After searching for facebook.com, you need to tap on it, and here you'll be able to find all of your passwords of your Facebook. So from here you'll be able to check your current password of your Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.